the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo juice bar channel. Just gonna simply make a simple little fruit salad with a few ingredients which I have left over. I know you guys will love this one, so stay tuned and watch this video. So basically inside of this I got apple, I got strawberry, grape, and some grapes. Alright, look what I'm gonna do. Simple. You can use what you have to make your fruit salad. Alright, so I'm gonna get a green apple. You can use anything at home and make a fruit salad. And this is what happened in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Strawberry. I'm not a big lover of kiwi, but you know, kiwi do look nice and fruit salad. Black grapes. That's what I call a simple little fruit salad to make at home in the kitchen from Chef Ricardo team. as you can see, you know, if you have leftover stuff, it's coming really handy like this. So as you can see, that looking so amazing, really nice and simple, like a fruit salad. Look at that, guys, lovely. And I want to say to you, you guys definitely can make this at home. As I said, leftover stuff I have in my kitchen, put them together and make a simple like a fruit salad like this. I know you guys will love it, so please stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe from Chef Ricardo team. And I will see you next time with more recipe like these. Bye bye.